Hey everyone, so let's do a check-in. Get into a comfortable position where you won't be disturbed for a few minutes and close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and sigh it out. Take another deep breath in and sigh it out. Now place a hand over your heart center, maybe two hands. Now think about the last week and where it was that you were being kind to yourself and loving to yourself. And if you can't think of anything, and if you can, determine where you will be kind to yourself and loving to yourself this week. How will you shine your light? How will you love on yourself? How will you show yourself that respect, that deep love and affection? And it doesn't have to be anything grand. It can just be small. It can be little things throughout the day. Maybe it's about boundaries. Maybe it is about saying no. Maybe it's about really listening to your body and what it needs, and then honoring that. So listen to yourself. Really understand what it is that you need and where you can show that love, support, that attention to yourself. Now you can stay here as long as you like, honoring yourself. And whenever you are ready, you can bring your awareness back into your body, back into the space. So I hope this helped you, and I will see you next time. Namaste.